How to fix update KB5077241 failed to install in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue. First of all, fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on the Reinstall Now button for this option. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, the repair version of Windows 11 25H2 will be downloaded. Wait for the download to complete and restart your computer to install. After restarting, try to install this Windows Update. If the issue still persists, reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right-click on the result, select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt appears, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and press Enter. Copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press Enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. The next thing you can try is modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, look for App Readiness in this list, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties, make sure that startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on the drop down and select Automatic and click on Apply. If the service is stopped, click on Start. Click on OK. In the same way, look for Background Intelligent Transfer service. This service, right click on this service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply and click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on OK. Do the same with Windows Update service. This one. Right click on this service, select Properties. If a startup type is not automatic, change it to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start. Click on OK. Then close the services window and try to install the Windows Update. If the problem still occurs, then there might be system files corrupted. So run System Files Checker and DISM tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Go to the video description. From there, you will have to run these commands. Copy the command, SFC SCANNOW, paste into the command prompt and hit Enter. Once completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command, paste into the command prompt and press Enter. After completion, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check for updates and install it. After the update is released, a link will be placed in the video description. Go to the link. After clicking the link, you will reach this page where the update files will be available. Download the compatible file for your system and try to install the Windows update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.